Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing UAG Civilian Series cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So guys, these are the two cases and they are priced at 5000 rupees. This is the regular black color and this is the olive drape, and both are priced at 5000 rupees. You can buy them on Amazon.in or GreedyTech's official website. And if you buy it on GreedyTech's official website, you can get up to 7% discount when you use the GreedyTech's coupon. By the way, I'll also be giving away these two cases, so if you are interested, stay tuned till the end of the video to know how to participate. Now with that said, let's get on with the unboxing. So here's the black one. This is the Civilian series case. I don't think there are other series cases available for this particular phone, and I know 5000 rupees might sound a lot, but considering the price of the phone, which exceeds 1 lakh rupees, 5000 for some drop protection is definitely pretty cheap. So these are the two cases and this is how they look. So normally when you look at it, it looks pretty weird. And once we put on the case, you'll know what's the reason for that. So this is how the case looks on the back, and this is how the case looks on the inside. Just like all other UAG cases, even this one has honeycomb patterns underneath, which actually gives us that drop resistance. Now let me just put on the case. So here's the Z Flip. Honestly, I really don't know how to put it on, and I guess that's done, and that's done as well. So this is how the phone looks once we put on the case. So the extra plastic strip at the middle, which is retractable, is used at the center over here. Now let me just open it up and now close it. So this is how the front looks like. And as you can see, there is a significantly huge raised lip. So when you place it on its front, camera module is still very well protected. And on the back, it is completely sealed off. So once again, very well protected. Now let me open it up. Once again, even with the case on, it's not that easy to open it with a single hand. You have to use two hands anyway. So it's much more convenient. So this is how the phone looks with the case on. Now this is how the front looks like. There is a tiny bit of raised lip. It's almost negligible. You probably won't be using any screen guard or tempered glass on it, so it's not going to be an issue. And even when you close it, there is a tiny bit of gap between the two sides of the phone, which is clearly visible, but it's not causing any problem with the phone's functionality. In fact, whenever we close the phone, display turns off. So everything's working as expected, and even with the case on, buttons are still accessible and they are clickable, but because of this bezel at the bottom that adds protection, it's kinda hard to press these buttons. It's just a little inconvenient. Now to remove this case, this is what you need to do. Just slide it up. By the way, this is my own method. You can say trial and error. Anyway, just slide it up and this is how it looks. Now just pop out the top part of the phone and now we're done. You can just close it and slide it off. And now the phone is out. So here's the difference between the phone and the case itself. Case is definitely bulkier. Your phone will look much more bulkier with the case on. But for the extra protection, I guess you have to bear with it. So here's a quick preview with olive drape color. So guys, these are the UAG Civilian series cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And just like other UAG cases, even these cases are drop tested, military grade certified. So if you're looking for something very reliable for your ultra premium Samsung flagship, then these cases are something that I would definitely recommend. Now about the giveaway, just open the link in the description, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and that's pretty much it. We'll pick out a winner in a week and get back to you. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy these cases, links for that are in the description. Do check it out. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I am Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.